Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick video where I'm going to be reviewing the Kenmore Litening Cordless Upright Vacuum. So whether you should purchase this vacuum or skip it, this is what we will be finding out in this video. So as you can see that currently I'm on the official website of Kenmore Floor Care, and this is the model that we are talking about, which is CU701. Over here you can read the features that this particular vacuum is providing to you, but for the review purpose, as you can see that currently I'm on Reddit, and in the comments people are saying that I have zero familiarity with this model as it's brand new. Kenmore just released quite a few new models, all of which I have yet to try. If anybody buys one of their new things, I would love to see a report back on here. Second, this I'm so curious if anyone else buys of these. That's the first I've seen this one. Oh, very interesting, looked like a great alternative to the Hoover One Power. So basically this model was released around 2 months ago, and since it is quite new, the reviews are not available. So you can go ahead to Amazon, and there you can see the reviews. But if you want to know about the features, then you can come to this page and read it. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.